Hello, today I'll be taking apart this 15.6 Acer Chromebook. It's a little bit old, had it for about 2 years. Still works, so I'll open it for you and turn it on. See. There we go. Now we want to power it all the way down. Close it. Start by taking out the screws. Let me get my screwdriver. Okay, you want to start by taking every screw around this corner, around this edge. You don't need to take them out, just unscrew them and then lift off this panel. You get all of them, there's a whole bunch. I already have a few removed, just to make this disassembly a little bit shorter. Now, you take your fingernails around the side with the least amount of ports, which is this thing. You might want to start from the front. It's where it's least attached. Slide your fingers around along it gently. You don't want to break anything. I missed a screw right there. Don't want to make that mistake yourself. You might break something. Let's hope I didn't. Now, we're going to be attempting to remove this metal panel right here. Before you do anything, disconnect the battery right here. It'll just save you from shorting your Chromebook out. These screws are quite stubborn. I honestly don't think I'll be able to get it off. They seem to be resined into the board. I mean, I don't think I'll take it off. It just seems too difficult to care about, but I guess if you really wanted to, you could heat up this resin and yeah, they're just resined into there. But yeah, we can pull up these, take out these connectors, be very careful with them. Now you could use this review to, maybe if you drop it, one of these connectors might come loose. You gotta open it up and put it back together. So hopefully that's connected right. This one connects right here. So if this were to rip, you could just order a new one and replace that. For this review, you gotta make sure this is disconnected so you don't short anything out. I would have shorted that out with the screwdriver. We could take out these little cords right here. It's just wire cords. Nothing much to them. But yeah, just reconnect them in the same order, and you'll be fine. I guess we can pull this up and take this cord out. It's probably your connections to one of these ports. Just slide that back in. And make sure it closes on it. Now this is probably all I need to do with this video. Just reconnect the battery right here. Now last time I did this, my screen wouldn't turn on. Nothing would turn on, so I just had to plug it back in. You might have that problem too. But yeah, this is basically as far as I'm going to go. Thank you for watching.